Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a dialogue system in Roblox Studio. Let's get right into it. First, you're going to go down to the description, click on the Roblox asset, and then import it to Roblox. Then, once you've got it in Roblox, you want to ungroup everything. Start GUI, that, and then delete the rest. Now, you want to press Control and press all of the folders and Control U at the same time. Now we can go into the NPC, click on the dialogue script. Now we can basically just change what we want it to be, like that. Sorry. Like that. Place it on the ground. Press play. Walk up to it. You can change the proximity prompt. I will show you that in a minute. Talk. Press. So that's if you want to do like a grow a garden kind of game, see the brain rot. To be honest, you can do anything with this. Now with the proximity prompt, press on it and then object text. And then you can do talk to NPC. Now if you go back in, here, it will now say talk to NPC. If you want to change the title above its name, it will be on head, GUI, name. You want to scroll down till you find text, and then change it to, I don't know, John. Now that will be its name. If you of course want to delete that arrow so it's just its name. Hope you like that little tutorial. Stay hitchy, we out.